everybody, it's Karen here with Lesson Company. I hope you're all doing good, safe at home. Today, I'm going to invite you to take a little vacation with me. Wait, we're in quarantine, right? A little vacation through art. I'm going to go step by step through a freestyle beach scene. And what that means is I'm not going to put down any line work. I'm going to start with a blank canvas. As you can see, I've got a hodgepodge of all different types of acrylic paint. I've got my tarp down, very important can for water to clean my brushes. A couple of brushes. I have a plastic palette full of acrylic paint, colors that I just thought were pretty. And if you notice, I have a big blob of white in the center. That's for a reason. That's because I'm going to be predominantly mixing that color with a little bit of everything. So I need the most of it, so I put it in the center. Painting on my edges. I hope you enjoyed this little mini vacation with me today. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I will be putting out more videos. And if you want to take a class, go ahead and contact the Lesson Company in Wesley Chapel. They have art programs, music programs, tutoring programs. You name it, we do it. I'll see you next time. Bye.